So what I'm going to show today is a situation where if you already had existing trough installed, another brand's trough, you can actually extend your system with WaveTrax by using a coupler that works by coupling another leading brand's trough with our trough. On the WaveTrax side, you are going to need to notch using the notching tool, the bottom and the sides of the trough. And then you're going to use the coupler as you would connecting two pieces of WaveTrax trough, except for now you're going to put WaveTrax on one side. Just pop it in. You're going to put the other trough on the other side, and then the second part of the coupler connects the two. Just make sure you line it up in the right channels, and then you just pop it down. Now it's connected. So now you've extended your system using another company's trough. You can extend it with WaveTrax trough. So if you need a situation where you need to take the coupler off and disassemble the trough, the easiest way to do it is actually using your thumbs and just pushing them together, pushing these two tabs together, and it just pops off. The top piece pops off, and then you can just squeeze the trough on either side and get the bottom pieces off.